Hello all. Today in this video, I'm going to provide details regarding an random forest XAI algorithm. Previously, with the same data set, we have worked with different machine learning algorithms, and in this video also, we are going to work with random forest and make some comparisons between the different machine learning algorithms and provide a conclusion that with this particular data set, which algorithm is providing better result. So for that, first we have importing the libraries which we are needed, and then we are calling our data set. The data set I downloaded from Kaggle. It is an intrusion detection data set. Here you can see the head of the data set. It is combining both of numerical and categorical values. But in our work, we are going to use only numerical values. So in the X data, we are going to call only the numerical values in it, and then we are getting the info of the data set to determine the type, whether it is an integer, float, or object. Mostly only float object, only we are going to object and integer things only we are going to use in our data set. And if we are checking whether data is found, but here you can see no null data is found. So then we are declaring our variable and also the y variable. As I said, we are calling only the numerical data in the x variable, and in the y variable we are calling the final label variable. And then we are splitting our data set into four different data training and testing with the 80%. That is the testing size we are declared as 20%, and then the balance 80% will be declared for training. And then we are getting the variables like x train, x test, y train, and y test. With these variables, we are going to make an classification. Since we are going to plot an XAI graph, we have to import lime library also. So we are calling the lime library, and that in that we are making an explorer to just get the values of the datas, that is the classifier datas over here, and then make an line that is the XAI graph. Then we are also declaring the libraries which we need for to declare the variables like precision, recall, F1 score, and also average values of that. And then this is the random forest algorithm. Initially we are declaring the library which is used to declare this random forest, and then we are calling our random forest. Then we are using the training our model by using the fit variable, and testing our model by using the predict variable. And then we are declaring the accuracy score and also the confusion matrix. So this is the confusion matrix of this data set with the random forest algorithm. And then we are declaring the other precision performance metrics parameters like precision, recall, F1 score, and also support. Here you can see over here it is getting some better accuracy, more than 90%, that is 93% we are getting. Then we are declaring our line variable. Here you can see that you are getting the values for intercept, prediction, local, right, etc. So this is the line variable, that is XAI graph. Here we have given the number of features as 6. So if you want some different features means here you can change it, and if you are rerun means you will get, here you can see you are having some 6 variables. If you want some different number like 7 or 8 or 5 means you have to just rename it, the recheck it, and then you have to run this cell, and also this cell. Here also you can see that you will have some values for 6 variables which we have chosen in this data set. On the 6 variables, we are just giving the number. The features, it will be taken automatically from the data set only. So I said that already we have done this work with the different machine learning algorithms. One is SVM, it is getting an accuracy of 74, and next is Navies, it is getting an accuracy of 70, and next is KNN, it is get an accuracy of 90, and next is decision tree, it is getting an accuracy of 93, and next is logistic regression, this is getting an accuracy of 72%. So in this you can just make a conclusion that both KNN, this KNN, sorry, decision tree, and Random forest is more or less it is providing same result. Others it is not providing as same result, and also it is not as good as decision tree, and random forest is only providing better results with this particular algorithm, because there's sometimes there may be variation based on some algorithm. So this is the details regarding this random forest XAI code. In the next video, we will just work with some other demo video. So if you are interested in knowing uh, some uh, uh, some other demo means, please let us know in the comment box. So if you are aware of it means, we will definitely make a video regarding that. Thank you.